Obeya Rooms are powerful tools for collaboration, problem solving, and visual management. Want to create your own? Let's dive into how. Obeya's transform workspaces, streamlining decision-making and boosting team alignment. Perfect for complex projects or strategic goals. Why do you need an Obeya? Project management, strategic planning? Be specific! Physical or virtual? Physical rooms offer in-person collaboration. Virtual tools are great for remote teams. Consider your needs. Build a cross-functional Obeya team. Include decision-makers, subject matter experts, and those with access to crucial data. Obeyas have key sections. You'll need spaces for targets, KPIs, project timelines, problem-solving boards. Get creative. Make it visual. Charts, graphs, task boards, and images keep everyone informed and make problems easy to spot. Regular Obeya meetings are key, daily for fast-paced projects, weekly or monthly for others. Stick to the schedule. It's time to put your Obeya to work. Facilitate active problem-solving, update information in real time, and track your progress. Obeya Rooms are living spaces that evolve with your needs. Embrace the power of visual collaboration. Ready to boost your project's success? Start building your Obeya today.